Hey guys, you checking out new construction right here in North Idaho. Today's video is for you. We're gonna go hit 3 different neighborhoods, check out some Hayden homes, Anthem Pacific, a couple others. We're gonna go hit those neighborhoods. Let's go check it out right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the notifications bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Our team literally gets calls, texts, and emails every single day from people just like you looking to move to North Idaho. So whether it's 12 months or 12 days, give us a call, text, or email. We'd love to help you guys get that smooth move going right here to North Idaho.
So today we're actually standing in a community known as The Fields. The Fields is a blended community with Hayden Homes and Anthem Pacific, all new builds. What's kind of cool about that is the fact that you don't have the same architecture everywhere. And in this community, you can also have a shop. You have larger lot sizes. Very cool. We do a lot of new construction. We actually have 2 homes in here, one with Anthem Pacific and one with Hayden Homes that are both under construction right now. So in this community right now, there's only 3 different lots left. We're actually going to show you a few other Hayden Homes communities today, talk to you about their process, what they require to put down in terms of your deposit, and how the whole construction process works. Hayden Homes is usually between the low 400s as high as the mid 600s, all depending on what model you choose and your upgrades. The neat thing about Hayden Homes too is that they have a very seamless process. We've done a lot of homes with them. They'll walk you from the start to finish on them, and you're looking at typically around a 7 to 8 month build time depending on weather. So we're gonna walk you around here, take a look at some of these. We'll give you some more information in a bit.
Sweet, let's go check it out.
Hey, so this is one of our builds. This is with Anthem Pacific. Neat thing about this is that you can put a shop on properties here in the Fields. Price point for these are typically mid 800s for the ones with the shops, up to about $1 million. So something that's nice too is that you do have access on 2 different roads on this specific one. Very cool builds. Once again, price point's a little higher than Hayden Homes. We'll go show you the other one that we have with Hayden Homes right now. Welcome to Brookshire. Brookshire and Hollice Woods, which we'll go to next, are both centrally located in the southern part of Rathdrum. What's really cool about these neighborhoods is that you actually have really good access to Post Falls, Rathdrum, Hayden, Coeur d'Alene. It's really centrally located and easy to get to. We're gonna walk you through one of the homes that we have under contract right now. This is called the Orchard. The Orchard is one of the most popular floor plans that I've seen with Hayden Homes. We've sold a lot of those with them, and you can modify, you can add extra bedrooms, and you even have the option of doing an Encore. Anytime you hear the word Encore with Hayden Homes, it means that you have an additional bonus room on top of the garage. So we'll take you in, show you where we're at on this one. All right, so we're inside the Orchard right now. This is a really popular floor plan because it has a great flow. It's typically a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But you can upgrade this into not only a 3rd-car garage, but you can add either a 4th bedroom or a den. And if you upgrade to the Encore, you can actually add that 4th or 5th bedroom upstairs with an optional suite. So what's really cool about this is they have a lot of options that you can do, not just countertops, but you can also add certain areas like coffee bars, wine bars. You have a lot of options with lighting and everything else. So the reason this one's so popular is because it's single floor. A lot of people want that single floor layout, so there's no stairs involved. This is one of those. The prices on these typically run around $500,000 or a little less. I think actually mid-4s is where you can start with, and you can take them all the way up as high as you want. The other thing to know about Hayden Homes is a lot of times they do offer incentives. Depending on where they're at with builds, you can get incentives from anywhere from $10,000. I've seen them as high as $35,000 before. I'd say the average is around 15 to 20. So ask us about those if you're looking into a new home. Okay, I've talked about a few of the homes being called an Encore. With Hayden Homes, if you buy an Encore home, it's the base home with an added bonus space. This is really cool because if you want a secondary living space at all, this is what it provides. You can turn this into just a regular bonus room. They also have options to make this a mini junior suite where you'd end up having a closet and a full bathroom upstairs. So it gives you a lot of customizable flexibility, yes, to do things that you want, but it does give you a secondary living space. With Hayden Homes, their process, after you pick out the home you want, they'll bring you in here and we'll go through all the design features of the home. This is an important thing to bring your agent because if you don't remember the little things that you may want to build, then they could be costly after you build it. They require a 2% down on the purchase of the base price of the home plus any lot premiums. And then you have to also put down 10% of any upgrades. So you'll come in and you'll pick all the colors together, different carpet pads. One of the reasons why you can get a Hayden home a little cheaper than some of the other builders is because it's a semi-custom home. You're not moving walls and necessarily designing the home, but what you are doing is you're picking out colors, finishes, countertops. So it's pretty simple, but there are some things if you want to make sure you add electrical outlets in the garage, soffit outlets, gas barbecue stubs. Those are the things we don't want you to forget because they can get costly and take a long time to put in afterwards. All right, so now we're in Hollice Woods. As we said, Brookshire is actually sold out. This is right next door off of Meyer. It is on the prairie. It's awesome views out here. You have views of Canfield Mountain. I don't even know what mountain that is over there. You got Rafter Mountain right behind you. Once again, totally located in a great spot. You'll have easy access to shopping, amenities, freeway, if you're going to Spokane, anything else, but you're kind of set in the middle of everything out here. This is a mixed community as well. You do have Dom Construction, Atlas Construction, and you have Hayden Homes. So it is nice because you get a little blend of the architecture in here, and you do have some options to possibly put larger garages, RVs with different builders such as Atlas. So if you have questions, check this one out. This one starts at around $425,000 with Hayden Homes, and they have homes as high or as big as 3,000 square foot. So once again, this is Hollice Woods. Great spot, great location.
Lakeland School District.
Oh,
right?
Lakeland, the most conservative school district out here.
That's the spot to be. So this is in that school district. So I wanted to throw that in as well. Okay, now we're good. I know it's rolling. All right. Thank you, Dave. That was excellent information. Listen, guys, we do a ton of new builds. They seem to be very popular right now over resale homes. I think there's potentially more value in some of these new builds, and people know they're getting a home that has a warranty and they don't have to come in and immediately fix some stuff. And there's a lot of value in that for sure. So remember, guys, if you're looking to move right now or 12 months from now, give us a call, text, or email. We would love to help you make that smooth move right here to North Idaho, maybe a new build.